While cows came to represent equality in Hindu India, in the Christian tradition cattle were strictly subject to man, and as such, represented hierarchy. My classmate Noah, here to analyze the 14th century Littrell Psalter.
Throughout history, we see prevalent in Christian attitudes the idea of dominion over the natural world and animals. This belief of ownership and exploitation is rooted in the story of Genesis, where Adam names all the animals, and God says unto Adam and Eve, quote, "Be fruitful and multiply, and replenish the earth and subdue it, and have dominion over the fish of the sea, and over the birds of the heavens, and over every living thing that moveth upon the earth." The idea of dominion is seen again in a drawing in the Littrell Psalter, which is an intricately illustrated 14th century copy of the biblical Psalms, which are the foundational elements of Christian attitudes and Jewish worship. Beneath the text on one of the pages is the drawing of two men plowing a field with 4 yoked oxen and a metal plow. The oxen appear with wide circular eyes and grimacing mouths, and the man holding a whip looks back at the plow driver with intent eyes and a frown, connoting perhaps anger or frustration. The negative expression, shared by all parties, suggests a begrudging acceptance of the work both the villains and oxen must perform. Villains are feudal tenants who are subject to a lord in exchange for land. Oxen are male cattle subdued by castration for agricultural purposes. Oxen were critical to medieval society and many others throughout the world because of their ability to easily plow large tracts of land. The inclusion of this image in a religious text depicts a society where strict servitude and loyalty was ingrained not only in societal structures, but in religious teachings as well. The strict hierarchy, founded in Genesis, that placed man over animals, extended upward to the dominion lords and religious authorities held over their villains. The strained expressions shared by the oxen and villains evoke their common status as subjects of more powerful masters.